Hi, I want to show you a plugin which I'm working now. It's based on, it's inspired by the Stretch plugin for Maya. I just started it and it's not the final version and many things need to be done. But I just want to share with you the process. Okay, let's start by creating a sphere. Increase the segment count and switch to shaded. Okay, so let's make two duplicates, one for stretch, one for squash, and let's convert them to editable poly. For now it's working only with editable poly, but after that it will work for our types of objects. So let's apply the modifier. It will be renamed because this is only the first name that I picked up, but I think I will call it Stretch and Squash. Okay, let's pick the stretch mesh, squash mesh. You see, for now I have only the max stretch, max squash, and clump stretch and squash. The max stretch is the maximum difference, maximum length of stretching, of the edge stretching, that when it will be at that length, it will be fully blended into the stretch mesh or squash mesh, and after that it will just go linear. I'll put some curves and other types of things. Okay, let's go to stretch mesh. Let's do the same as in stretch example. Okay, so now if I'll go to editable poly and select the vertex, top one, select soft selection. Now if I'll move them up, okay, and show end result toggle, you'll see that we have a squash effect, stretching effect, sorry. Now if you move down, we have a squash. Okay. Let's see how the max and minimum stretch is working. So we see that if we increase this, then it will need more stretching to get to this mesh. Okay. Also it can clump. If it will stretch more than this value, it should be clamped to this value. Okay, okay, so let's it's far from ideal. Need more work, like smoothing, tension, and growing, shrinking our type, maybe bend in, bend out, and also it will output to vertex color, so you can use the vertex color map to blend between different maps, like displacement or other things. Also, I think I will make a painting interface so you can paint the edges. Okay, let's make another example. The example with a plane. So one will be the stretch mesh. Let's just paint deformation. Okay, for example. Let's apply the mesh stretcher. Pick the objects. Now if we will rotate the vertex, you will see the morphing applied from the reference objects based on stretch and squash of the mesh. Okay, let's for example decrease this. That's all for now.